I'm going to show you guys how to make a shot of espresso. So there's a couple of different things that we need to know before we start. And the difference between a double portafilter and a single portafilter. A double portafilter has two spouts on the bottom. It has a larger brew basket on the inside with more holes in it. A single portafilter has one spout on the bottom, and the inside of the brew basket is a much smaller area with the holes than in the double. So the single portafilter with the single brew basket will make a single shot of espresso, and the double portafilter with the double brew basket will make a double shot of espresso. So today I'm going to do a double shot of espresso. So what I'm going to need is my portafilter, my double portafilter with my double brew basket, and I'm going to need to grind a small amount of espresso for this shot itself. We don't want to let our espresso be ground and sit in the chamber. We want to make sure that we're grinding it fresh for each and every shot. So I'm going to turn on my grinder for a couple of seconds until I grind exactly what I need for this shot. After a few seconds, your dosage should be ready, so you can turn off your grinder. And you can fill your brew basket on your portafilter. You want it to look like this. You want it to be full and slightly over the lip of the portafilter. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my tamp, and over my knock box, I am going to press down on the espresso with my weighted tamp, and I am going to turn one spin clockwise. I'm going to take my hand to brush off the excess ground on the rim of the portafilter. And now I am going to lock my espresso, my portafilter, into my group for my shot of espresso. Once it's locked in, I'm going to place my measuring glasses underneath each spout, and I'm going to hit the double espresso button. My espresso is pouring out at the exact speed that I want it to right now. It's nice and slow. You can see the crema and the golden color on there. You don't want it to be too fast, and you don't want it to be too slow, because that could be a problem with your grind, not your espresso machine. But now my shots are finished, and as you can see, there's a nice golden color on top, which is called the crema, and then you can see on the bottom the nice black color of the espresso. So that is how you pour a shot of espresso.